presentation. Sure, what do you want to do a presentation on?
Oh, we should explain our viewers that today we have no Benji, right?
Yeah. I think this requires some explanation, yeah. This will reverb now.
Yeah.
This will go nicely.
So today we just sent Benji home. Didn't feel like it, so.
Nice. That was a Cornish song that I wrote myself. It's called Canan Tansis.
What does it mean?
It means Cornwall is so nice. Love me some Cornwall. Good question. Thank you, João.
Yeah. Just trying to keep things interesting.
Yeah. For the viewers.
Yeah.
It's an arrangement. Actually, no, I wrote the song myself, and me and João and no one else did some rehearsals this week. We recorded it as well for Cornish radio.
Yeah, we
right?
will be famous now.
Is it Cornish radio?
Yeah.
Cornish media.
Yeah. How's the name of the radio we're talking about?
It's Radio Kernewek.
Guns N' Roses.
Ah, right. Yeah. In Cornwall, it's called Guns N' Roses Radio. But I think since I'm super Cornish, I call it
didn't mean to
Kernewek Radio. It's in G major. That's sort of like the best key of all the keys. It means happiness. So that's why I write mostly in G major. Also, it's one of the only keys in which I can play.
I'm just laughing because it's a very happy song.
Yeah. That's what I'm happy it came across. It immediately sparks joy in whoever hears it.
Shall we play it at 3 ends?
Yeah. Okay, you do the melody?
Yeah. Wait. Okay. Wait, I have to change my chip for G major.
My playing hand, yeah, okay. So like until here or something with a, I think that's good, yeah?
Yeah, let's try it.
Okay. 1 and... That's nice. Nice.
Lovely song.
João added some own Cornish ornamentations. Made it even nicer and happier.
Yeah, it's just part of what I'm studying now.
Yeah.
Because we are really focusing on these Cornish instruments.
Yeah. Get the ornamentation good in the cover. Yeah. That's where it's at.
Okay, shall we invite our guest?
Yeah, we have a special guest for today.
Yeah, we called him. I mean, he said he really didn't want to come, but we asked very nicely.
Yeah, and he said that he said that he would pay to play as well, and we we don't have any money, so I guess he can come if he really wants to.
Yeah, we just
He's called Benjamin.
Britain.
I don't know. I didn't ask his last name. I don't really care. Anyway, come on, Benjamin. Play us some tunes.
Presentation.
Thank you, Joao. Thank you, Wiz.
Yeah. You're welcome.
Thank you. Basically, right. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the concert this evening. I smashed my knee. I had to run to the bathroom. We lost sight of the time, and it was like 2 minutes to 8, and I ran to the bathroom, ended up smashing my knee, and yeah, that wasn't very nice. So basically, I was outside taking a breather and letting the pain go past, and these guys said they would start the concert for me. So you guys actually heard Kanan Tanzis, which means the dancing song in Cornish.
That's what I told him.
Yeah. Which was, we got approached by somebody working in Cornwall on a project, and I wrote a melody based off of the thing. Anyway, welcome everybody to the concert. It's great being able to sing and play for you all again. Same old spiel. People watching on Facebook and Instagram, stop it. Go to YouTube. Go to YouTube because we've got good equipment. Also, regarding equipment, we're not going to ask for donations tonight. Over the next week or so, we're going to get a sort of like wish list ready, which is mainly just musical equipment and stuff. So anybody who wants to do a donation can do it that way instead of donating in that way. I think you all know what I mean. Anyway, lovely to have you all here. I've forgotten which one I was going to start with. Let us know. Thank you. Yes, that was it. I want to make sure that my sister is watching because this was one for her. I should have asked her. Anyway, it's nice having a bit of a relaxed start to the concert. And I hope you all have some wine, some vodka. I am at the second being offered wine by Joao, and I will gracefully accept. Gratefully and gracefully. Thank you. So yes, I hope you'll be drinking with me and enjoying the music. We've got some really lovely songs today. We've got a little bit, I'm just going to shut up and I'm going to start playing. This is Jet, Look What You've Done, which I played for the first time like 10 years ago and made a recording of it. Thank you, Jorginho. And I remember my parents and my sister listening to it absolutely non-stop. Cheers, Prost. Chin chin. Take my photo off the wall if it just won't sing for you. 'Cause all that's left is gone away and there's nothing left for you to prove. And oh, look what you've done. You've made a fool of everyone. Oh, well, it seems like such fun until you lose what you had won. Ooh. Give me back my point of view, 'cause I just can't think for you. And I can hardly hear you say, what should I do? Well, you choose. And oh, Take my photo off the wall if it just won't sing for you. 'Cause all that's left is gone away, and there's nothing there for you to do. Look what you've done. You've made a fool of everyone. Oh, it seems like such fun until you lose what you have won. And oh, look what you've done. You've made a fool of everyone. A fool of everyone. A fool of everyone. Take my photo off the wall. There we go. Jet, look what you've done. Not a particularly nice song. I mean, it's a nice song, it's just pretty accusatory and pretty sad. Anyway, we're going to go from...
I think you can combine it with Look What You Made Me Do by Taylor Swift.
Oh, that would be so good. Hida just made this fantastic Taylor Swift, Look What You Made Me Do.
Yeah, we call it the accusatory set.
An accusatory set, that's nice. That's pretty, yeah. And then mix that one with Look What You've Done. Oh, that's really nice. That's a really great, yeah. Right, we have two of these today. And this is a very special one. Parabéns a você, Isabela querida, muitas felicidades, muitos anos de vida. Hoje é dia de festa, cantem as almas para o menino Joãozinho. Uma salva de palmas. Lang zal die leven, lang zal die leven, lang zal die leven in de gloria, in de gloria, in de De nada.
Completely unexpected.
So, in case y'all didn't realize, it was our amazing sound man's birthday last Monday. So, parabéns, Jorginho. Thank you for being such an awesome sound guy. And now I forgot which was the next song I wanted to do. Here we go. So, sticking on the vibe of like songs from 10, 12 years ago, here's another really, really popular one from a while back, which is also, considering my sister's watching, also one for her, I guess. But firstly, we had some people being lovely and saying hi in the chat. Lynn, it's lovely that you're there, joining us from what I'm assuming is sunny Gorenhaven. Lynn Goldsmith, yes, she's there again. It's fantastic having regulars. Gingerbread gin and tonic from Christmas. I wish I also had some leftovers of that. And played back, yes, cheers. I hope you have a lovely train journey wherever you're headed, Gregory. And Beth, you're very welcome. your lipstick stains on the front lobe of my left side brain. I knew I wouldn't forget you, and so I went and let you blow my mind. Your sweet moonbeam, the smell of you in every single dream I dream. I knew when we collided, you're the one I have decided who's out of my kind. Hey, soul sister, ain't that Mr. on the radio? Stereo, the way you move ain't fair, you know. Hey, soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do tonight. Hey, just in time. I'm so glad you have a one-track mind like me. You gave my life direction, a game show love connection we can't deny. I am so obsessed. My heart is bound to beat right out my untrimmed chest. Oh, I believe in you like a virgin, you're Madonna, and I'm always gonna wanna blow your mind. Hey, soul sister, ain't that Mr. on the radio? Stereo, the way you move ain't fair, you know. Hey, soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do. The way you can cut a rug, watching you's the only drug I need. So gangster, I'm so thug, you're the only one I'm dreaming of. You see, I can be myself now finally. In fact, there's nothing I can't be. I wonder what see you'll be with me. And hey, soul sister, ain't that Mr. on the radio? Stereo, the way you move ain't fair, you know. Hey, soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do. Hey, soul sister, ain't that Mr. on the radio? Stereo, the way you move ain't fair, you know. Hey, soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do tonight. Hey, yeah, hey. That wasn't the chord. Hey, yeah, hey. Anyway, Hey Soul Sister by Train.
I think
Awesome.
quite nice, but I think it was like a major third too high. What was the key?
B.
Yeah, C. In G, you would have never had that problem.
Which one?
G major.
No, but it was I played the wrong chord.
I'm all joking. This concert, I think it's the G major. That's how we started our.
Okay, right, yeah, so, okay, I'm being told that the running joke of today's concert is G major. 'Tis a funny chord. For me, it kind of means God. It's a Community quote. If y'all haven't gone and watched Community, then go and watch it, it's fantastic.
You're being paid by them?
I am, yeah. Give me money, Community people. Actually, no, just feature me. Like, I'll just be a random character that comes in and plays like one song, gets super famous, that's it. That's
In the movie.
in the Community movie. Oh, I could be Troy's boyfriend in the Community movie.
Childish Benjamino.
Childish Benjamino. Okay. Anyway, Right, where do we go from there? Guys, same as always, if y'all have any requests or suggestions, let me know in the chat. Let's stick a little bit up tempo.
We must do our regular weekly call for sharing.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so, people, here we go. Call to action. There's 17 of you watching now. I want every single one of you to send this link to at least one other person. At least one other person. It can be 50, but at least one. And let's see how many people can be watching.
Have any advice?
Do I have any advice of who they could...
Might invite for this
A
conference?
person that you want to dance with after quarantine.
Oh, that's a lovely idea.
Or somebody that you've been wanting to dance with during quarantine. So go, share, and I expect to see the number jump up by like 20 in the next thing. I haven't...
We should have a top for... so we
That's
don't
true.
spread
Like,
the
if-
servers.
Veo la lluvia al caer y lo bello que ha de ser cuando luego sale al sol. Veo tu imagen sin querer y cada vez que pienso en ti siento ganas de ir contigo, amor. Y es que tú y yo fuimos hechos para estar solo tú y yo y nadie más. Solo tú y yo somos nuestra realidad, solo tú y yo y nadie más. Quiero tu risa alrededor, nunca lágrimas que son agua que se pierde, amor. Dice el sabio es esperar, pero nunca hay que dejar que se escape el tiempo sin amar. Y es que tú y yo fuimos hechos para estar solo tú y yo. Just the two of us, solo tú y yo. Somos nuestra realidad, solo tú y yo y nadie más. Veo la lluvia al caer y lo bello que ha de ser cuando luego salga el sol. Veo tu imagen sin querer y cada vez que pienso en ti siento ganas de ir contigo, amor. Veo la lluvia al caer y lo bello que ha de ser cuando luego salga el sol. Solo tú y yo fuimos hechos para estar, solo tú y yo. Just the two of us, just the two of us, painting castles in the sky. Just the two of us y nadie más. Solo tú y yo somos nuestra realidad. Solo tú y yo y nadie más. Solo tú y yo somos nuestra realidad. Solo tú y yo y nadie más. Just the two of us, just the two of us. Just the two of us, we can make it if we try. Just the two of us, we can make it if we try. Just the two of us, just the two of us, just the two of us, painting castles in the sky. Just the two of us y nadie más. Veo la lluvia al caer y lo bello que ha de ser cuando luego salga el sol. Veo tu imagen sin querer y cada vez que pienso en ti siento ganas de ir contigo, amor. Solo tú y yo fuimos hechos para estar, solo tú y yo y nadie más. Solo tú y yo fuimos hechos para estar, solo tú y yo y nadie más. This is a song I wrote called Sebas, for a guy called Sebas, in case you were wondering. And it's about not giving up. not giving up when times get tough and not letting things hold you down. I guess like nearly every other song that's been written, right? Tú eres perfecto como eres. La gente siempre te juzgará. Yo ya veo lo que eres. Y yo estoy aquí por ti. La suerte te ha confiado. Forgetting the text here. Nadie te ha dado ni un segundo. Yo he sido afortunado. Deja compartir con positividad. Oh, 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 oh. Quédate aquí un poco más, Sebas. Déjate remiende el dolor. De chico, abrázame un minuto más. Las cosas pueden esperar. La familia no es todo. A mí igual, menos mal. Me has encontrado y yo te quiero. Creí que canto, hermano. Wow, 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 wow. Quédate aquí un poco más, Sebas. Déjate canto el dolor. Chico, abrázame un minuto más. Afuera puede esperar. Ya, pa, 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 pa. Ga-da-da, pa, ta-da, pa, pa. Pa, 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 pa. Ba-da-da, pa, ba-da-da, pa, pa, pa. Pa, 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 pa. Pa, 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 pa. Pa, 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 te amo a ti, Sebas. Déjate canto al mundo. Eres perfecto como eres, Sebas. Tú eres perfecto y ya está. Coge mi mano. Ven, vamos allá, donde no te pueden encontrar, Sebas, y nunca regresarás. Oh, that felt so good to sing. That was amazing. Oh, anyway, that's one of my favorite songs that I've written. And that was very, very sung to sing. It is not G major, sorry, it's in, like...
It's not really in a key, per se, you know?
It's kind of atonal,
It's a bit ambiguous.
a little bit ambiguous. Andrew, Nepith in Kernowick. Niwon, Niwon Pith, U in Kernowick. Okay, you know what? This is going to be fun. We do this one quite often, but we normally do it in English, and the boys come and join me. Shakira, we do that often, and you guys do generally come and join me. So let's see if I can find the text. Oh no, why can I not find it on Google? This is a problem trying to search for text in Cornish. Why is this so hard to find? You would have thought this would be... Anyway, I'm going to do Lamorna, if I can find it. In Spanish, yeah, no, in Cornish. Do you guys want to come and join me and try and sing the Cornish underneath, just for fun?
We sing the Cornish underneath,
Just for the chorus.
and you sing the English, right?
Exactly, that's...
If you can find the words.
Yeah. Why can I not find this? Gary, or might help if we type when we
I think we know it.
in Cornish. That would be some impressive. Oh no, here's a video of it.
Actually from Cornwall.
That would be amazing.
I think we explained ourselves quite well in the beginning.
Is goed.
Benjamin knocks over the water.
Oh, yeah. Okay, it's fine. It didn't really touch anything. Okay, sorry. Little break. That, to be fair, that just gives us more time to find. Does somebody want to send me Lamorna, if they know where it is? Thank you, Wids.
I thought we were going to the beach.
Yeah. I don't like all this water. I'm going to the beach now. Boring.
I swear I had the lyrics properly. The problem is I can't ask Joao and Wids to search for it, 'cause of course you have to search in Cornish. And hello, Will and Seth, and probably Alyssa at the same time, but Auntie Beth just told me Will and Seth are watching, so it's very cute. My nephews and my niece are watching. Hello to everybody. Hello to all three of you. I hope you all are good. If there is a song that you would like me to do, let me know. Lamorna, page 16. Oh, cheers. Okay. Yes, I do have it. I'll send you the thing. Sorry, I didn't think we were going to be doing this. I'll send it to Wids. Okay, Joao, it's just page 16 in the PDF. So Ken George translated this in 1978. Ken George is one of the babes of Cornwall, who did a lot of stuff for, who was, just does a lot with the language, and I think my mum studied a bit with him as well. So we sing this in English. Yeah, I don't know what, I'm just stalling for time now. We're trying to work out some different things with,
In here?
what?
It's
It's a PDF, page 16.
16, okay.
Lynn Goldsmith, Any Billy Joe.
Okay. 16. Thank you. Oh, that's a nice page.
Yeah,
This is Little Lives.
sorry?
Oh, this is 21. Okay, sorry. My bad. My bad.
Okay, so here we go. There was a little bit of teething problems. I hope you all are still there. Billy Joe, I do have some. Billy Joe, what's...
Oh, bro, this will be fun.
Yeah, so everybody, this is fun, because now we can sing in some Cornish together. The chorus is Plen Albert or Anle. Okay, yeah, let's just sing. Plen Albert or Anle, an Kevi Bithne Wrav, an Kevi Bithne Wrav? Wrav. Daulagus o terlentry, han go through a glipin, have, all kruljes o he blau. Ha hurdle he o quandra, dres all a nosi hrenni mosalena de la morna. Yeah? Okay. Everybody joining in, I hope that you join in either in English or at Cornish, or Spanish or Portuguese or Chinese, whatever language you want to sing in, at home.
Oh,
Got it, Joao?
okay. Just
Shall I send you a photo of it? Is that easier?
jump to the beginning.
Oh.
Okay. I think I got it.
Well, it's just a chorus, right, that you need?
I'll just...
Hold on. Okay, this is taking a... I hope that you guys have been telling yourself jokes at home during this...
You send me it?
Yep. Got it? Ik kan aflem in the in kever moes tag in plene fetis genze hagithen vebor grek der lagas tel the thee ha hudol heo quandra dresola nos irenimos alena de la morna. Plen Albertonle and Keve Bithneuraf der lagas or terlentry han go through a glippin huff or kruljes or blau how here quandra tresola nosi prendi mosalena there la morna. Dervin he hanor he auruk pan effin car pan ros hathim ove o them hanor thoan par Travis vivile hathremin kelrebia marth genev o grec itho what and there la morna. Plen Albertonle and Keve Bethneuraf der lagas o terlentry han go through a glippin huff or kruljes o blue a hurlia quandra tresola nosa renimos alena de la morna. In Methi Meawar that's what Neuruk in town as one is Mesavol Prat Meagruk Rachena Tepe Rachtum the Vizarona Gober Peaureth Remfe Plen Albertonle and Keve Bithneuraf der lagas o terlentry han go through a glippin huff or kruljes o blue ha udel here quandra tresola nosi rendimos alena de la morna. Plen Albertonle and Keve Bithneuraf der lagas o terlentry han go through a glippin huff or kruljes o blue ha udel here quandra tresola nosi rendimos alena de la morna. How was Lamorna? In Cornish. So I hope you all had fun singing along with that. Who else do we have? Hola, Julia. Si tienes una request, me lo digas. There we go. We're going to go from Cornwall to... oh no, why is this in... Julia, this is for you to sing along with at home. Oh no, why can I not find the text? Anyway, we had a few people say hello. Hold on, what did we... Oh, I can't find the video. There we go. Close, close, close. Oh, I have like 15 tabs of Lamorna Cornish lyrics. Hi, Will and Seth. I said hello. Sarah, lovely for you to be joining us. I'm going to sing You Raise Me Up in a little bit, so don't go anywhere. Andrew Kudanvith. I am very happy that I have two amazing boys with me who can just, off of the cuff, sing in Cornish. Pretty awesome. Anyway, since we're going down the vibe of songs I haven't played in ages, let's do this. I listened to this for the first time in like 10 years, legit. And I texted Joao saying, Joao, do you know this? Should we sing it together? And he was like, no. So, yeah, I'm going to try and play this. Just making sure that people have... not right. Yeah. Si no te conociera, si no fuera por tu amor, no sabría el corazón lo hermoso que es vivir. Y si no te tuviera, no sabría cómo al fin he logrado hallar en ti lo que faltaba en mí. En un mundo sin amor, lleno de dolor, es tan clara la verdad en tu mirar. No llores más, y es por ti que siento que moriría la ilusión para siempre si no te conociera. Si no te conociera, si no fuera por tu amor, no sabría el corazón lo hermoso que es vivir. Y es por ti que siento que en mi vida una ilusión existiera. Si no te tuviera, sé que sería tan grande nuestro amor. Juntos el mundo brilla más. Nunca pensé que el odio hiciera tanto mal. Juntos él me abandonó. I lost the lyrics. Y el corazón me dice que es verdad. Y es verdad. Si no corazón para siempre si no te conociera. Really gorgeous song, If I Never Knew You, Si No Te Conociera, from Pocahontas, the final ending credits. Anyway, the text was completely wrong, so that's why it was a bit of a short, anticlimactic song. I will actually go through that for next week. Anyway, Jorginho, is it time to do our one? Me and oh yeah, we're only doing one tonight, right?
Yeah.
Right, me and Jorginho, our birthday boy, are gonna sing a schnibble.
Man, it's lovely to have a birthday for a week.
It's great. It was Raul's birthday on Monday, but of course, you know, we have to extend it till now. Anyway, when we were doing the rehearsal for now, just before we got here, I asked Joao if there was any songs he wanted to do, and this one came up, and it's an absolutely... Do you need to move the... that was a very British way of me saying, move the microphone.
I think you need to move the microphone,
Mate.
Maybe,
Should we
yeah.
mate? Mate.
Hey mate, maybe have you thought about, you know, if it's not too much problem, moving the microphone? I mean, it's fine for me.
Question mark?
Anyway, enough bullying the British people.
If you feel like.
Okay, here we go. So, here is a very special, also in the vein of songs from 10 years ago. Okay, like going back, what do you call that when you afterwards decide something?
Flashback?
No, when you... Retroactively, I was like preemptively. Retroactively, this concert is all of the songs from like 10, 15 years ago from when I first heard them.
The hits are in 2000. The
Yeah.
beginning of the millennium.
But the thing is, like half of them aren't even hits from that millennium. That's just when I heard them for the first time, you know?
Yeah.
I need to stop drinking wine because my voice is going. This is just vodka, so.
It's better for your vocal.
Sorry?
Mixed with cocaine.
Absolutely. This is yeah, the Netherlands have...
It's a very special drink called gezelligheid.
Oh yeah.
And Julia dice that she didn't know it because she always left before the credits. Fantastic. Well, I mean, es una canción muy bonita, o sea,
May I help myself?
que a lo mejor tú lo puedes buscar porque yo lo canté tan bonita, y etcétera, etcétera. Anyway, you get the... there's going to be an interesting introduction to this one, and you'll get to guess which song is going to come after it.
Oh yeah. Summer has come and passed, the innocent can never last. Wake me up when September ends.
He sings amazingly, right?
Like my father come to pass, 7 years has gone so fast. Wake me up when September ends. Here comes the rain again, falling from the stars, drenched in my pain again, becoming who we are. As my memory rests, but
Show Joao some love in the comments. That was awesome. And join me in singing. Summer has come and passed. The innocent can never last. Wake me up when September ends. Ring out the bells again, like we did when spring began. Wake me up when September ends. Here comes the rain again, falling from the stars, drenched in my pain again, becoming who we are. As my memory rests, but never forgets what I lost. Wake me up when September ends. Summer has come and passed. The innocent can never last. Wake me up when September ends. Like my father's come to pass, 7 years has gone so fast. Wake me up when September ends. Here comes the rain again, falling from the stars, falling from the stars, drenched in my pain again, becoming who we are. As my memory rests, but never forgets what I lost. Wake me up when September ends. Wake me up when September ends. Wake me up when September ends. Just forgot the melody of that halfway through. How awesome is Joao, guys?
Next week I'll. What?
Hitter's making inappropriate comments in the.
I have to stop myself from being.
Did you see what my sister responded to you?
Yes.
Ah, Julia, gracias. Ah, yeah. Oh man, it's so fun being able to sing with these two guys. I'm absolutely blessed. Yeah, what else did I have? Okay, this is legit also something from 10 years ago. Yeah, we've still got time. Whoa, it's an hour already. This is going very quickly. We're gonna do two really gorgeous we're going to do two really gorgeous songs from a Spanish band called Joao is losing it here behind the camera.
Nice meme.
Anyway, I'm going to do two really...
You'll like it as well later.
I'm sure I will like it later. Two really nice Spanish songs from a band called Despistados, and this was also a band that really helped me. Ridiculous. I just saw the meme, they sent it to me. Okay. Anyway, here are two really beautiful Spanish songs from a Spanish band called Despistados. And the first one is from a very famous TV show called Física o Química, Physics or Chemistry. And it was very funny. It was like a show set in a Spanish school, and I always got like nostalgia that I wasn't in Spain, like in that school. And basically, it's just a normal love song. And the second one is Until the Storm Passes, and it's saying, you know, let me stay a little bit more here, just until the storm's finished. So here we are, Química o Física y Hasta que pase la tormenta. And afterwards we'll go back to some English ones. While I'm doing the intro, y'all can invite someone who speaks Spanish. There's only 1 billion of them, so you have enough choice. Ni me escondo, ni me atrevo, ni me escapo, ni te espero. Hago todo lo que puedo para que estemos juntos. Cada vez me importan menos lo que piensan que no es bueno. Que haga todo lo que puedo para que estemos juntos. Medicina alternativa, tu saliva en mi saliva. Es física o química. Ni me miras ni te quiero, ni te escucho ni te creo, pero siento que me muero cuando os veo juntos. Cada vez me importan menos, pues olvido cuando bebo, aunque sienta que me muero cuando os veo juntos. Medicina alternativa, tu saliva en mi saliva. Es física o química. La mitad de lo que hemos vivido hace más ruido que el ruido de un cañón y un corazón de hielo herido se ha derretido en su colchón. Medicina alternativa, tu saliva en mi saliva. Es física o química, la mitad de lo que hemos bebido hace más ruido que el ruido de un cañón y un corazón de hielo herido se ha derretido en su colchón. La mitad de lo que hemos vivido hace más ruido que el ruido de un cañón y un corazón de hielo herido se ha derretido en su colchón. Deja que me quede un rato más aquí, solo hasta que pase la tormenta. Déjame que puede que no vuelva a sonreír. Quédate conmigo y me orientas antes de que suene a despedida, la tristeza despedida que no deja de latir. Y antes de que te des por vencida, piensa que es la única vida que podemos compartir. Deja que me quede un rato más aquí. Quiero que me apuntes en tu agenda. Deja que me quede y nunca más me vuelva a ir. No me dejes ser solo a medidas. Antes de que suene a despedida, la tristeza sostenida que no deja de latir. Antes de que te des por vencida, piensa que es la única vida que podemos compartir. Que podemos compartir. Deja que me quede un rato más aquí. Deja que remiende tus heridas, esas que yo mismo hace unos días descosí. Déjame ser tu paracaídas. Antes de que suene a despedida, la tristeza sostenida que no deja de latir. Antes de que estés por vencida, piensa que es la única vida que podemos compartir. Que podemos compartir. Que podemos compartir. That was Química o Física, Física o Química, and Hasta que pase la tormenta, both from an amazing Spanish band called Física o Química. No, Dos Pistols. Sorry, I'm a little bit, the wine is approaching. Always. Just trying to see if I remember this well enough. Once again, a song that I haven't played in ages. Yeah, okay. Don't go changing to try and please me. You never let me down before. Ooh, don't imagine you're too familiar, and I don't see you anymore. I wouldn't leave you in times of trouble. We never could have come this far. Ooh, I took the good times, I'll take the bad times, I'll take you just the way you are. Don't go trying some new fashion, don't change the color of your hair. Ooh, you always have my unspoken passion, although I might not seem to care. I don't want clever conversation, I never want to work that hard. Ooh, I just want someone that I can talk to. I want you just the way you are. I need to know that you will always be the same old someone that I knew. What will it take till you believe in me the way that I believe in you? I said I love you, and that's forever. Oops. And this I promise from my heart. Oh, I could not love you any better. I love you just the way you are. Oh, don't go changing to try and please me. You never let me down before. Don't imagine you're too familiar, and I don't see you anymore. of trouble. We never could have come this far. I took the good times, I'll take the bad times, I'll take you just the way you are. Don't go trying some new fashion, don't change the color of your hair. I'll take the good times, I'll take the bad times, I'll take you just the way you are. Absolutely, I agree that we. Julián, sí, es cierto. Thank you, Lynn. Thank you for the suggestion. And Sarah, we can do your song now. I forgot to ask you guys. Do you guys want to sing "You Raise Me Up" together? Just at the chorus that you join in. Just improvise some harmony. Okay, Joel, do you want to join? Yeah. Cool. Do you want to sing a verse, or do you just want to do the chorus?
No, just chorus.
Just the chorus, okay.
Or else I'll mess it up. For sure.
That's fine, I can always jump back in. Anyway, thank you guys, everybody, for being here and watching. Guys, in case any of y'all are watching on Facebook or Instagram, stop it, head over to YouTube because we have awesome equipment. There's no donations this week. Probably as of next week, we'll have a sort of wish list with a lot of musical stuff on it that help us do these concerts. So if any of you want to donate, you can do it that way instead. I have to do a special song for Alyssa, my niece, but she's having dinner, so I need to make sure I do that before her bedtime. You Raise Me Up? Do you need the lyrics? You do? Okay.
Is it always "You Raise Me Up"? Yeah,
It- It's so I can stand on mountains. Yeah, okay.
And Petrus something.
Yeah, that's
Here we are. This is my sister suggested this, and I know this is
I can stand on Petros. You join? No, not for this one. Another one. For some Shakira, no?
Do you need to move the microphone?
Yes, I do. Thank you very much.
I noticed a set of lullabies for Widzinho. We maybe
No,
will.
but that's me.
I know.
Yeah, just me.
Yeah, Joao was going to sing something.
Oh, you're gonna sing a lullaby?
Yeah, because Witz said.
Oh, right. What do you want to sing? Do you want to do it now?
No, not now. No, it's for his bedtime.
Then I will have to put a chair there and then sleep.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. Maybe we could do that at the end. Joe, I didn't realize that you'd sent. Hey, you're sounding amazing. Hope you're doing well.
What?
Is this mine? I don't know if
think-
that's your
I
wine.
think mine is empty.
His is losing his wine,
Marbles.
his marbles. Anyway, Joel, thank you. That was a really lovely message. I'm glad you've logged on. Oh yeah. Sorry, wrong beginning. It wasn't supposed to be that weird. When I am down and oh my soul so weary, when troubles come and my heart burden me, then I am still and wait here in the the silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. There is no life without its hunger. Each restless heart beats so imperfectly, but when you come and I am filled with wonder, sometimes I think I glimpse eternity. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up to more than I can I remember so well the day that you came into my life. You asked for my name. You had the most beautiful smile. My life started to change. I wake up each day feeling alright. needed someone like you in my life. That there was an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life, took all the worries and fears that I had. I guess what I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I love you. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there was an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life, took all the worries and fears that I had. I guess what I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I love I love that song. Makes me very happy singing that song. Anyway, thank you for Jorginho. He was awesome, as always, in, I almost said Fields of Gold. That isn't what we sung. You Raising Me Up. And that last one was How Did You Know by Gary Valenciano, an amazing Filipino singer. Okay, the Little Uns are back. Everybody there at Penwithick. Hello, Will, Seth, and Alyssa. And Alyssa is... Wissa is going to be singing. Joao doesn't even know her. And Hida and Joao are pretending that they don't know who Alyssa is and only recognizing Wissa.
Oh, Wissa, okay.
Yeah, exactly. That's. But, sweetie, I need you to tell me what key that you do it in on your recorder. I guess it'll either be F or G. Or? It's probably G because of, these boys. No, but in all serious, sweetie, I will be happy, very happy to play it. Just let me know which one is it. Is it this one? Or, let me know if it's the first one or the second one.
Or
No, okay.
don't confuse me.
Okay, Also, you can tell me what is the first note you start on. Is it C with all the fingers down, or is it D with like that? Just let me know.
Send a picture, maybe, of the first position.
What kind of D is that? What kind of D is that?
Go. What's D on a recorder? No, it's with. No, it's that, right? Oh, that's F. C, D, E, F. C, D. Yeah, that's D, right? Yeah, C, C sharp, D. Okay. So is it either all of them down, or is your little pinky on your left hand up? Right hand. Oh, jeez.
In German fingering.
Okay. We do German fingering? What fingering do you do?
German fingering.
Yeah, F.
F
Like
with the...
Every Saturday evening.
Anyway, hi, noodles. Anyway, that's the kids. Let me know which one it is. I'm gonna do a different song, but let me know.
Because the Baroque fingering goes C, D, E, F.
Yeah, but it's really out of tune on modern recorders if you do it like that.
Not the plastic ones we have in Portugal.
Oh,
That suck.
okay.
It's Portuguese plastic, it's better.
No, they're German actually. It's from Honor. Honor. It's German.
Honor.
Honor. Yeah.
Anyway, here is one that is not from 10 years ago. But you all can sing along with this as well. And at some point, I will invite somebody else to do it. To do it. William and Seth, ask Alyssa if she wants to play along. If she doesn't want to play along, just let me know and I'll play the song quickly. Oh, this is the wrong thing. We've already done when September ends. Okay. It was almost... Tell me something, girl. Are you happy in this modern world? Or do you need more? Is there something else you're searching for? I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for change, and in the bad times I fear myself. Tell me something, boy. Aren't you tired trying to fill that void? Or do you need more? Ain't it hard keeping it so hardcore? I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself drumming for change, and in the bad times I fear myself. I'm off the deep end, watch as I dive in. I'll never meet the ground, crash through the surface where they can't hurt us. We're far from the shadow now. In the shadow, in the shadow, in the shadow, we're far from the shadow now. you something, girl? Are you happy in this modern world? Or do you need more? Is there something else you're searching for? Such an awesome song. Thank you. Thank you, Will and Seth. Very good and nice. That's very sweet. Love this. Yeah, I know. It's such an awesome song. Haha, it's great. Haha. Okay, so hopefully Alyssa Wissa is there. So here we go. This is a really beautiful traditional Scottish song called Speed Bonnie Boat. That one. That wasn't. I don't know. Okay. Sweet Bonnie boat, like a bird on the wing, onwards the sailors cry. Carry the lad that's born to be king over the sea to sky. Loud the wind howls, loud the waves roar, thunder claps rend the air. Baffled our foes stand by the shore, follow they will not dare. Sweet Bonnie boat, like a bird on the wing, onwards the sailors cry. Carry the lad that's born to be king over the sea to sky. Though the waves heave soft, will ye sleep? The ocean's a royal bed, rocked in the deep. Flora will keep watch by your weary head. Sweet Bonnie boat, like a bird on the wing, homeward the sailors cry. Carry the lad that's born to be king over the sea to sky. Sweet Bonnie boat, like a bird on the wing, homeward the sailors cry. Carry the lad that's born to be king over the sea. My bonnet lies over the ocean. My bonnet lies over the sea. My bonnet lies over the ocean. Oh, bring back my bonnie to me. Bring back to me. Oh, blow the winds over the ocean. Oh, blow the winds over the sea. Oh, blow the winds over the ocean. And bring back my Bonnie to me. Bring back, oh bring back, oh bring back my Bonnie to me. Bring back, oh bring back, oh bring back my Bonnie to me. My Bonnie lies over the ocean. My Bonnie lies over the sea. My Bonnie lies over the ocean. Oh, bring back my Bonnie to me. Bring back, oh, bring back my Bonnie to me, to me. Bring back, oh, bring back, oh, bring back my Bonnie to me. Bring back, oh, bring back my Bonnie to me. Bring back, oh, bring back my Bonnie to Nice.
It was a nice key. What was it?
G major. Alyssa, she knows this song too. This is a Loch Lomond re-preview moment now. Ha ha ha. Maybe I've got one other that I really want to do. And I wanted to finish with, what did I want to finish with? We'll go a little bit over time. Yeah, I'm going to do Loch Lomond afterwards. Let's do Schnibbel.
Ah.
Okay. But I'll do the first bit. I'll do a whole song and then we go into...
Mag ik hier blijven zitten?
Ja, ik dacht dat jij dat misschien even wat ongemakkelijk vond.
Yeah, I think it's on the table.
Do you need me to send you the scores, Jorginho? Okay.
I'm way ahead. Streets ahead.
I'm streets ahead.
Blocks.
So, Sarah, don't go anywhere. We're going to be doing Loch Lomond very quickly. We're going to do this really beautiful set. We're going to do Gravity by Sarah. I don't know her surname. And then we're going to do two songs by Mika.
Bareilles? Bareil?
Yeah, exactly.
Sarah Bareil.
I never know how to say it. We're going to do that. And then we're going to do Over My Shoulder Rinho. Over My Shoulder by Mika. And then we're going to go into Happy Ending Rinho. So, here we go. Let's find the lyrics to Gravity. Woo. This is tough on the old voice today.
The old vocally folds.
Sounds so gross when you say it like that. Oh, this is for Pia. I have to say that.
I don't know.
Oh. Something always brings me back to you. It never takes too long. No matter what I say or do, I'll still feel you here till the moment I'm you hold me without touch. You keep me without chains. I never wanted anything so much than to drown in your love and not feel your rain. Set me free, leave me be. I don't want to fall another moment into your gravity. Here I am, and I stand so tall, just the way I'm supposed to be. But you're onto me and all over me. You loved me 'cause I'm fragile, when I thought that I was strong. But you touched me for a little while, and all my fragile strength is gone. Set me free, leave me be. I don't wanna fall another moment into your gravity. Here I am, and I stand so tall, just the way I'm supposed to be. But you're onto me and all over me, and I live here on my knees as I try to make you see that you're everything I think here on the ground. But you're neither friend nor gear, but you're neither friend nor foe, though I can't seem to let you go. The one thing I know is that you're keeping me set me free, leave me be. I don't wanna fall another moment into your gravity. Here I am, and I stand so tall, just the way I'm supposed to be. Something always brings me back to you. It never takes too long. Over my shoulder, running away, feels like I'm falling, losing my way, cold, drunk, tired, drunk, This is the way you left me, I'm not pretending. No hope, no love, no glory, no happy ending. This is the way that we love, like it's forever. Then live the rest of our life, but not together. Wake up in the morning, stumble on my life. Ain't got no love without sacrifice. If anything should happen, I guess I wish you well. Oh, a little bit of love, but a little bit of hell. This is the hardest story that I've ever told. The hope of love, of glory, happy endings gone forevermore. I feel as if I'm wasted. And I waste it every day. This is the way you left me, I'm not pretending. No hope, no love, no glory, no happy ending. This is the way that we love, like it's forever. And live the rest of our life, but not together. 2 o'clock in the morning, something's on my mind. Can't get no love without sacrifice. If I pretend that nothing ever went wrong, I could get to my sleep, I could think that we just carried on. This is the hardest story that I've ever told. The hope of love, of glory, happy endings gone forevermore. I feel as if I'm wasted. And I wasted every day. Oh, I'm wasted every day. Oh, I'm wasted every day. Little bit of love. 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 little bit of love, 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 little bit of love. Oh, I feel as if I'm wasted, and I wasted every day. This is the way you left me. I'm not pretending. No hope, no love, no glory, no happy ending. This is the way that we love, like it's forever. We'll live the rest of our life, but not together. This is the way you left me. I'm not pretending. No hope, no love, no glory, no happy ending. Ah, that was so fun. Ah, that was so great. Hi, Seth. I'm glad you really like that one. I love that one as well. I don't know which one it was because we just did 3. Do you remember the title? All of them. Okay, it's ready. Okay, we'll do. Okay, we're going to do 2 more songs. We have 2 more songs left, about 10 minutes, maybe 12 minutes. Don't tell the people next door, although I'm sure they'll hear. If you haven't invited anybody, go and invite somebody. These are going to be 2 really beautiful songs. I'm going to do 2 Celtic songs. I'm going to do Loch Lomond, and I'm going to do. Do you want to say something? Wids would like to say something.
I would like to sing something.
Oh,
Can I?
yeah, sure. The chorus. Sure. Okay, Wids is going to join me singing Loch Lomond. Then I'm going to do Danny Boy. Oké, so doe ik de eerste couplet, eerste refrein. Jij doet tweede couplet, tweede refrein.
Welke is dat?
'Twas there that we parted on yon shady glen. Ik doe de derde couplet. En samen derde chorus.
Oké.
Dus jij doet tweede couplet, tweede chorus, derde chorus.
Ja. Was there that we parted in yon shady glen on the steep side of the Lowland. En dan?
When waar deep in purple hue, the highland hills we view, and the moon coming out in the gloaming.
Ja. Zoek je de tekst?
Ja.
Oké, dan helpen we wel namelijk. Helemaal als je wil dat ik het op zijn Schots doe.
Oh yeah, Hidder is going to do it op zijn Scottish.
On its
He's gonna sing it in a bit of a Scottish accent.
I hope. Hope it's not accidentally Irish or something.
Yeah, that's. Anyway, isn't this just the most beautiful text? Mr. Spanish over here telling us if there's.
Spanish guy telling me.
João do Brasil.
By yon bonny banks and by yon bonny braes, where the sun shines bright on Loch Lomond, where we too have passed so many blithesome days. This is different text, I know. Where me and my true love, where I want to go on the bonny, bonny banks of Loch Lomond. Or ye'll take the high road, and I'll take the low road, and I'll be in Scotland afore you. But me and my true love will ne'er meet again on the bonny, bonny banks of Loch Lomond. 'Twas there that we parted in yon shady glen, on the steep, steep side of Ben Lomond, where in deep purple hue the highland hills we view, and the moon coming out in the gloaming. Or ye'll take the high road, and I'll take the low road, and I'll be in Scotland afore you. But me and my true love will ne'er meet again on the bonny, bonny banks of Loch Lomond. The wee birdies sing, and the wildflowers spring, and in sunshine the waters are sleeping, but the broken heart it kens nae second spring again, though the waeful may cease frae their grieving. Or ye'll take the high road, and I'll take the low road, and I'll be in Scotland afore you. But me and my true love will never meet again on the bonny, bonny banks of Loch Lomond. By yon bonny banks and by yon bonny braes, where the sun shines bright on Loch Lomond, where me and my true love will ever want to go, on the bonny, bonny banks of Loch Lomond. Oh, ye'll take the high road, and I'll take the low, and I'll be in Scotland afore you. But me and my true love will never banks all o'er
Was there that we parted in yon shady glen, on the steep, steep side of Ben Lomond, where in purple hue the highland hills we view, and the moon coming out in the gloaming. Oh, yeah, take the high road, and I'll take the low road, and I'll be in Scotland afore, yeah. But me and my true love will never meet again on the bonny, bonny banks of Loch Lomond.
The wee birds sing, and the wildflowers spring, and in sunshine the waters lie sleeping. But the broken-hearted kens nae second spring again, though the way for me sees frae the grieving. Oh, yeah, take the high road, and I'll take the low road, and I'll be in Scotland afar, yeah. But me and my true love will never meet again on the bonny, bonny banks of Loch Lomond. Oh, yeah, take the high road, and I'll take the low road, and I'll be in Scotland afar, yeah. But me and my true love will never meet again on the bonny, bonny banks of Loch Lomond. Deze doe ik zo ook. Oh, Danny boy, the pipes are calling from glen to glen and down the mountain side. The summers go, and all the flowers are dying. 'Tis you, passed by. But come ye back when summer's in the meadow, or when the valley's hushed and white with snow. It's all be in sunshine or in shadow. Oh, Danny boy, oh, Danny boy, I love you so. But come ye back, and all the flowers are dying. When I am dead as dead I may well be, you'll come and find the place where I am lying, and kneel and say an Ave there for me, and I shall hear the soft few tread above me, and on my grave shall warm a sweeter beam, for you shall bend and tell me that you love me, and I shall sleep in peace until you come to oh, Danny boy, oh, Danny boy, I Thank you, everybody who joined us this evening. It was lovely being able to sing for all you guys again. Thank you, as ever, to our birthday boy, Jorginito, for being behind the cameras, making sure that everything sounds fantastic, and for singing some awesome parts of the concert with me, and same for Le Wids. So lots of love to those boys. Thank you to Andre for letting us use the equipment. No donations tonight. As of next week, there'll be a donation list of either sheet music or musical equipment for people to get if people want to donate. Next week, special week, it's Speak Cornish week, And so the program will have a lot of Cornish music in it. I am going to ask some of the best poets in the language if they want to very quickly translate some of the songs I occasionally sing. And we're going to have a song that's got a lot of Cornish in it, as well as the true and tested English versions of Cornish songs and just some nice general English songs. But so next week, very much Cornish focused, and I hope that you will all be there. So tell everybody you know who's interested in Cornwall and Cornish stuff, or even speaks Cornish. And have,
if they're not, they should go and see.
and if they're not, that they still should go and see, because it's going to be a great concert with cameos from Wids and Joao, as always. It's been a pleasure having you all here this evening. Thank you for joining. I love you all very much. Have a fantastic weekend and a lovely week. Stay safe, and see you next week for some Cornish love. Ciao, guys.